To determine if you have a narrow or regular P&H arm, insert a penny into the hook part of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular P&H arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow P&H arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Vision wiper blade on a regular P&H arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Find the release button on the side of the adapter, lift the button and slide forward. Remove and discard the adapter. Locate the packaged adapter labeled P&H. To install, align the P&H adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointed in the same direction as the arrow on the wiper blade base. Press the adapter onto the wiper blade and slide back in the direction of the arrow on the adapter base until it clicks into place. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Next, locate the hole on the side of the adapter. Turn the blade perpendicular to the wiper arm. Insert the pin into the hole, pushing all the way through. Rotate the blade down until it mates into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Vision.